Hello and welcome to Indian Curry Recipes. Today we are making Tandoori Chicken. These are the ingredients. I've soaked in hot beetroot water saffron strands, rose water, lemon water, and these are all 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, kasuri methi, cumin seeds and coriander seeds powder. Now I soaked Kashmiri chilies, that's 15 of them. You can reduce it. Soak it for more than 1 hour. This will give the rich red color. Make sure you wash the Kashmiri chilies really well and then soak it. Alright, now that's the ginger paste, garlic paste, turmeric, all 1 tablespoon, cumin seeds, coriander seeds powder, rose water, lemon juice, fresh the better, freshly squeezed. Grind this all to a smooth paste. Now add some water to the lid to take out all the bits and bobs because we need the paste to be nice and smooth. Add some more water. Clean the sides of the vessel as well. This is how we need it. Nice thick consistency. It shouldn't be watery. So make sure you add little water at a time. We need thick yogurt for this. And mix this well. This is my daddy's recipe. Thank him later. Add salt as per your taste and the kasuri methi. Make sure you leave me a feedback after you try this. And please do subscribe to my channel for new recipes. Each week new recipes coming up. That's the beetroot water and saffron strands. That's the secret tip. I'm sure you'll love it. The rich red color, all natural. I've used the thigh and the lollipop section, the leg of the chicken, roughly 4 to 5 pieces. Make sure you rub in the masala into the pockets, the cuts made into the chicken. Watch my other videos, old videos, any videos, I always show it with cuts. Be it making curry, be it making anything. That's the secret of the masala or any curry. The meat gets the taste and aroma. Now for this it's very essential because it goes deep into the meat. Use any vegetables and keep this overnight in the fridge for marination. I've used courgettes, onions and bell peppers and cherry tomatoes. Use the rest of the marination as well. So spray some oil in the oven and layer the chicken like this. That will give the grill marks for 1 hour 15 minutes. The first 15 minutes we'll be cooking. All the oil will drip into the water, drip into the tray, which I'll be keeping down, and the vegetables will get all the oil. To do it on the hob or on the gas, use a non-stick deep pan, spray some oil and put the chicken in that on very low flame. For the grill marks, use a knife, run it over the flame and put the grill marks, the heated knife carefully on top of the chicken. That will give you the marks. So this is 1 hour 15 minutes. I'm sharing you some tips which I learned from my father. I'm very grateful to him. He's my inspiration. After 15 minutes, from 200, bring it to 180. Time to turn the chicken. It has to evenly cook, so make sure you turn it every 15 minutes. Spray some oil. That's how it looks after it's cooked. Yummy and delicious. Nice and crispy on top and juicy on the inside. I'll cut it for you and show it to you. Put some lemon on top. You can enjoy it with some beer, bread. That tastes delicious. With rice, with anything.
Subscribe to my money's channel. Bye. And also please click the bell button for notification. And have a great time. Subscribe.